Hello friends, here is another hiring opportunity of Apicero company for the position software engineer. So any fresher can apply for this job, and then the employment is full time, means it is not a part-time job or a contractual job, it is a full-time job, and the workplace is pan India, means if you got selected for this job your destination will be anywhere in India. Then come to this section. If you are a BE, BTech, BCA, MCA, ME, MTech graduate, then you can eligible for this role. And then also they mentioned many more skills for this job profile. Then roles and responsibilities for this job. So let me tell you in short that in this job profile you have to write a code, you have to the ability to explain your logic for the written code, and then you must have involved in discussion with clients and architects about the development plan and design. After this, what they are offering, so if you got selected for this role, they the advantages or the benefits if you you got from this company is as follows. Then click on this button, apply now. Then here put your personal details like your full name, then your email address, and then your mobile number, then your academic area, means your branches, and your academic marks in aggregate or CGPA. Then what kind of area you are interested for, so let me put Salesforce. Then upload your resume from your device. Make sure that your resume file size is not more than 16 MB. Then from where you have hear about this job, so let me put other job portal, and then click on this button, I am not a robot. Then after this, click on this button, submit. So thank you, a member of your talent acquisition team will be contacts you shortly. So it is the whole application process. Now I will discuss about the written exam pattern with you. So after completing the application process, you got a mail to your registered mail ID from Apicero hiring team that thanks for applying to Apicero India. Your application has been received for program manager Salesforce practice. At your end, it will be received for software engineer, and we will review it soon. If your application seems like a good fit for the position, we will contact you soon. So if your application matches their criteria, they will further connect with you to your registered email ID. So after this, if you are a good fit, then they invited you to take a pre-screening test. Then they also mentioned the test details, that is the test duration is 2 hours, and they also mentioned the test link here, and the two important information about the test which is very important. So you can take this test anytime between the start date or time and the end date or time, and secondly, once the test starts you cannot pause it, and the test will run continuously for 2 hours. Means if you start the test from 4 p.m., then you must have to run the test up to 6 p.m. in one sitting. Then they also mentioned before you take the Apicero pre-screening, we recommend that you take the practice test few days before the actual test. Means they also give you a practice test which is similar to the main pre-screening test. Yeah, take the practice test, and so you are comfortable with the main test. So it is the main process, which application process, main application process, and the full hiring process for the job role of the Apicero company. So I will give the link in the description. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel to get daily updates about new hirings. And then if you like this video, please like and share. Thank you.